Hey there, I'm Tamara and this is Gary Holm. And it's a little bit bleary here today in Sicily.
So, major construction in town, which is great. This is the main drag. A number of places getting refurbished and redone here. Love it.
The town of Sambuca di Sicilia on the island of Sicily in southern Italy advertised a plan to sell houses for just €1. It was called Case per €1. We went and we bid on one of these auction houses, but we got outbid. And nearly none of them actually went for €1. What we did get was a great experience in Sambuca di Sicilia, and we fell in love with a different house. One that would actually cost €19,000 and needed a complete makeover. Now we've bought the neighbor's house for just €8,000 and we're back to work. If we've forgotten that we're on an island, this tropical weather will remind us. It's raining. And we have no windows. Great things come to those who wait, and they're being manufactured. The teal door with the herringbone design is almost done, and all of the custom shutters as well.
Okay, we just got our windows ordered, and big deal, every single one of them is going to have a mosquito screen on it.
It's not like a super buggy town, but we still don't want any mosquitoes or flies coming in. We're taking you up a floor to Piano Uno, Italian for floor 1, which is the second level of the house.
This is the first of 2 primary suites stacked one on top of each other, made from the second house that we bought. Inside here, we've removed 2 old staircases and what was a very small sitting area. We are building a shell of a bathroom, the interior of which is being lined with gray tiles.
This is where the awesome old couch was.
We just did a redesign, and we're confirming changing the configuration of the bathroom to add a tub and actually eliminate a closet.
Remember the stairs to nowhere? Now, it's part of the shower. How cool is this bench? I'm showering. I feel like I'm in the spa. Gary, give me a massage.
Something you don't often find here in Europe, a big old closet. The newest challenge is the connection of this suite to the original house. We want it to feel like one big house.
We just gutted the old staircase that was from the original house that we bought and started rebuilding a new staircase that's going to join both houses together.
Originally, our steps were about here. We basically brought it back a step and a half in order to accommodate for the new Y. One up into new place, a new one up into old place. One problem was that this level of the original house didn't have a bathroom. We're adding 2 bedrooms to this side of the staircase and a restroom that doesn't involve stairs to use in the middle of the night. Hate that slipping and tripping when you gotta go dripping. Initially, we were talking about having this big thing be a big laundry room. It becomes kind of clunky to have it that big, so our thought was to have a smaller laundry closet. We're still washer dryer, storage above it, because this wall can't change because it's too load bearing.
This is like half of a window, the wall's like splitting it.
Basically, we had one window here because the room was much bigger before we had the bathroom. So what's gonna happen now is, from the outside, it's gonna look like one window. Inside, it'll be two separate windows, so it'll be sort of a faux split window.
Road roundabout. It's a big tunnel.